And as I worked with more diverse populations, I actually discovered that through my work with refugees and leaders who were encountering workplace bullying and workplace trauma, that trauma is what you see in this picture to the left. The whispers behind your back where you feel and you know people are sabotaging you and speaking poorly about you to others. It's the microaggressions that people of color experience in the workplace, racism. These experiences are actually an extension of what trauma is. And learning this absolutely transformed my perspective because I went from viewing it as such a narrowly focused definition of trauma to seeing trauma as anything that surpasses the nervous system's capacity to cope. So when you think about this, if you yourself are in the audience and you're thinking, man, I've gone through a really hard divorce where we had to deal with where the kids are going to stay and who's going to be the primary caregiver, that was traumatic for you and overwhelmed you. Well, it's possible that that was a traumatic experience. Or if you grew up being bullied for your acne or for who you were as a person, that can be a horrifically traumatic experience. So I share this so that we can all start to broaden the lens through which we're viewing trauma. That trauma is actually, in fact, anything that surpasses our nervous system's capacity to cope. And that includes all of the experiences that I just mentioned.